You are going to love the 2021 Transit Wagon. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility, regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.